Hello, Jason here. Today is December 15th, and this is your aftermarket update. So as we entered into the trading session today, we were on the heels of a very good couple of weeks here at the Oil Trading Group. In fact, we were on an 8-day winning streak as we were heading into the session on Monday, looking for that 9th consecutive day. I am pleased to announce that we did extend it to a 9th consecutive day. We did have a couple of trades here this morning. We started out the day with a losing trade. I talk about this every morning before the session, that again, the way that it works in here is we have generally a pretty good idea of targets that we're trying to get to, and ultimately most days we can find our way to those targets. Having said that, it does sometimes require a trade or two to get locked into rhythm with where the market is going to ultimately end up. So again, we did have a losing trade today, but again, with the mantra in here being cut your losers short and let your winners run, we did have a 134 tick CL trade of the day. We'll talk about that trade here in just a few moments. Let's set the scene here for the trading day. You can see here we're looking back at the open yesterday on Sunday. We had come down to our market structure target, got up to our market structure mid in the Asian session, and then double topped up here. We talked about the fact that this is occurred here in the London session. This double top occurred here at the London session. That could very possibly be the high on the day. And as we fast forward through the chart or scroll through the chart, you'll see that indeed ended up being, right now at least, the high on the day. So as we were heading into our open here, you could see that we had identified a couple of ranges that we were going to be watching for. We had settlement today, crude oil settlement from Friday. Settlement from Friday was 57.81, and we were looking in this area. We ended up getting short in here and got taken out for 13 ticks. And then as the market begins to rotate around, we look immediately to get short here right around 57.61. Once we broke the box and closed below the range and closed below our market structure signal, we were looking for a target of the ETH session price down here at 57.08. And ultimately, this becomes your revision signal as well. We're up here. The OTG trade of the day short will pick up here at 57.61. And then you can see we come all the way down to the target down here. I had 3 contracts on. I took one off at the 08 level. I end up adding one around 10 here, because we were eventually looking to get down to 56.36. So we talked about that quite a bit in the session. But we ended up getting in on another contract here at 10. It comes back up and takes one of my contracts off here at 34. And then we get the flush down, and I end up getting out. Ended up adding another one to it at 02, and then getting out here at the 02 level. Now, again, one of the things that we were talking about, and you'll hear us talk about this in the video, that we were looking to get down to 56.36, and you can see here that this was our revision signal here at 84. We rotate around that, and then eventually come all the way down to our daily revision target. So again, lots of good opportunities identified here by your market maker levels, and you can see that we'll get in up here. And one of the things that we talked about in the trading session today is I probably should have waited to add just a little bit later, because we did get in back here at this 60 level, looking for that 36, and we actually ended up coming all the way down and taking out that target at the 36 level. So probably should have added somewhere in a different location, maybe on this pullback up to the ETH session price up here at the 05 level, and then letting it go. But of course, in retrospect, that is easy to say, right? In retrospect. But as we this ended up being a 134 tick CL trade. So again, without further ado, I am going to let you watch the OTG trade of the day. Yep, short right here at 61. Short right here at 60.61. I'm in at 60. Stop right now is 74. You know where the targets are, down there at 08. Down there at 08 is my target. We got to get through 50.49 here. Stop right now, 74. And if you didn't get in, I get it. If you didn't, and you wanted to get in, it's giving you a chance. If you don't want to get in, I get it. Been down as deep as 52 on the previous candle here. We've got some wicks we've got to fight through. You've got 62 there. All right. This is, I'm looking to try to catch the ride down to 08. Looking to try to catch the ride down to 08. We'll see. We'll see if it's going to give it to us here. Top of that candle there is 73. $52, high 73, 74 is my stop. 14 ticks. Okay, I believe we're going to make our way down through it here. 86 on the bid at 60. You've got good orders on the bid at 60 right now. We got to get through 49. We make it through 49. Actually, first step here, we got to get through 52 here. There's 60 again. Backfilling longs at 59 right now. Backfilling on the long side at 59. Some backfilling on the shorts up there at 60. We got to get through 59. 68 on the bid right now since I've cleared the book out at 60. 117 on the bid at 60. 68 at 59. We'll see. Patience. Closing below this range again is going to be key. Some good selling pressure there at 60. Pretty good selling pressure there at 60. There's 60, 59. Get through it here. Get through 60, 59. Let's go. 143 on the bid at 59. 88 on the bid at 50. Sorry, 144 at 60. 115 now at 59. This is the battle zone right here. There's 60, 59. Let's go. There we go. Get through 55, 54. We need to get down through the 52. I'd like to see us close below 59. There's 54, 53 now. Push through it. All right, you've got good orders down here. We've had none on the bid again at 52. We don't want to, there it is, 50, 49, let's go. Come on, get through 50, 49. We hit the daily structure mid. So let's bring the target, or sorry, the stop back to break even now. Boy, that's a chicken-ass stop, though, if break even there. We'll see if we can get through 50. There we go. Targeting 08. First target down there at 08. Our set of targets are down there at 08. Stop here is break even plus 2 to 59. You got down as deep as 38. 08 is the target down there. 08 your target. Okay, there's 40, 32, 36, 37. Bringing the stop to break even plus 10 to 50. Sorry, break even plus 5 to 55. We come back up and check 49 possibly. We got down as deep as 36. Your 20 ticks here. Looking for 08 as your target. Thanks, Jagu. I'm sure. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it properly. My apologies, my friend. 08 is your target. There's down to 36. We got as deep as 36. We need to close below 49 here. We need to close below 49. You need to close. There it is. Perfect. Now, this should keep going here. Let's clear the book out now that we've been down as deep as 36 down there. Let's take a look. Came up and checked 49. You may come back up and check as high as 53. Blah. Oh, what to do, what to do? Do I take some off or do I let it go to the target? I'm going to try to let it go to the target. There's the 49 level. Like I said, we could come up to 53 here. I don't want to. Stop is break even +2 to 58. We may dance around this 49 now. We may dance a minute around 49. Look at no selling pressure at 43, 42. 184 on the offer. Look at all the backfills at 50 coming in. Look at all the okay, that's good. All right, this 50 holds. We're in great shape. This 50 holds. We're in great shape. Look at all of the orders hitting the offer at 50, and then all of the sellers stepping back in behind it at 50. Well, there it was. They're gone now. We'll see. 231 have hit the offer at 50. Sellers trying to keep the lid on it right here at 50. $243, $64.82 now on the offer at 50. Buyer absorption in a tremendous way right there at 50. Tremendous buyer absorption. We're in safe. We're in safe now. That's great. That's excellent buyer absorption going on up there at 50. That's what you want to see. In fact, I'm so confident in that level that I'm bringing the stop now to 52. If it goes, it goes. If it takes it out, then we don't want to be in it anymore. But I think it is on its way now down to 08. 57.08 is your target down there. And from the entry, that's 52 ticks. That would be awesome. There we go. All of that buyer absorption up there at 50 was your key. All of that buyer absorption was your key. My target down there is 08. There's 35, 34, 33. Come on, we got to get down through the 31 level. Hold on to it here. 52 is my trailing stop, although that's going to change here probably. Nah, not yet. We may pull back to 49 before it lets it go again. You got tons of good orders on the sell side here at 34. Love to see us close below the 50% mark of this candle. 50 down to 31 is 19 divided by 2 is basically 10. So you'd want it to close 39 or lower here. 39 or lower. Like I said, we may come back up into that mid. I don't want to. Not a tremendously strong move here yet, though. These candles just aren't quite giving me the shape that I want. You want these things to start closing on their low tick down there. You want these things to start closing on their low tick down around 31. You've got minute 20. So if we get this thing to close down around its low tick, that is a good strong candle. 08 is what we're targeting down there, 08. There's 31.30. Come on, 29.28. Let's go. Get through it. 41 orders hit the bid down there at 27. 28 rather. Backfilling longs at 30 right here. Longs backfilling at 30. Longs trying to keep the floor underneath it at 30. 50 seconds left on this candle. We did get down there to 27. Sorry, 28. We didn't fill any on the bid at 27. All right, 30 is where the longs are trying to step back up here. There's 33, 32. Let's go. It's too bad I tried to get in this trade up there at 78, 79 earlier. $99 on the bid. Backfilling longs at 29. We're fighting through them. Let's go. 65 are hitting the bid at 29. We've got to get through 29. You've got a new candle in 15 seconds. And then you've got 5 minutes till the top of the hour. You'll be entering into the 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. swing zone. Close down here around its low tick would be good. And then let's see if the next one comes. There's 30 again. Backfilling longs. There we go. Come on. Get through 28, 27. 101 on the bid down there at 27. There's 26. Targeting down there to 08. Targeting down there to 09. 09 is my target. And we're going to bring this stop down to 42 here, just for giggles. There's 26. Come on, 25, 24. 69, backfilling on the short side at 28. Lots of orders hitting the offer at 28, but sellers not letting it get through. Let's get through 26, 25 now. There's 28. Look at all the orders backfilling there at 28. You have 79, 85 on the offer at 28. Let's clean up the book here so we can see if when and if we tick through that 28. Okay. Not a great sign that the sellers couldn't hold 28 yet, but we're okay still. Well, this thing has been as deep as 26. Let's go get through 27, 26. Yeah, I will have one left on the board, and if we get down there and through, I've got 56, 36 is another target down there. I have 56, 36 down below as another target. We'll see if we can get to this 08 level here. 48 on the bid down there at 28. 09 actually is the target that I'm looking for. 09 is the target. One tick above that area. Big sell-off after you went through your break point. This is what I was talking to you about on the ES, your break point up there at 2010 half, which is where I would have been looking to get short potentially, and you've had a big move off of that level. But again, focused here primarily on oil for the reasons we've talked about. You know what? Moving this stop back to 51. I'm going to give this thing the space that it needs to move to the target. I don't want to get prematurely taken out and then have it eventually hit the target, which is where it's going. There's 28. We got to get through 26. There is 26. We've been down as deep as 26. There, we're hitting the bid at 26. Come on, get through 26, 25. Let's get through it here. There's 25. Come on. There it is. Get through 25 now. Let's go. Come on. 25, 24, 80 backfilling long. You've got longs 80 at 24, and you've got some backfilling on the buy side at 26. So 25 rather. So you've got to get through. 74 have hit the bid at 25. We should make it through 25. 145 now. 153 on the bid. There's 24. 165 on the bid at 25. It's going south. Just how much? Well, I say it's going south. I'm expecting it to head south. You've got a minute 38. Looking for that target down there at 08. It's a big bounce off of that 25. My stop is 51. Well, that's a lot of seller absorption down there at 25. Are they going to stand for that? We'll see. Stay tuned. If you have been in here with me for a while, you know that we have to put up with some retracement occasionally. Right? We put up with retracement to ultimately hit our target. Hopefully this is all the retracement that we're getting here, and we can continue. I'd like to see this thing close at or below 32 now. You've got top of the hour in 57 seconds, and you do have the NAHB Housing Market Index report that comes out. 151,000 contracts traded on CL right now. Close this thing at or below 33.32. Looking for 08 as your target here. You close below 33.32, you're in good shape. I say that. We'll see. 32 is really below 31. 31.30 is where I think we'll be in good shape. I like the length of this candle up. But again, it ain't over till it's over. We got down as deep as 25 where you had 165 on the bid down there. I can't imagine the sellers. We closed down towards that low. I can't imagine the sellers wanting to keep those orders down there. That's a lot on the bid down there. That's a lot on the bid. Okay, there you go. 29, 28. Let's go ahead and get through 25. 54 back-filling longs at 28. This is the battle zone here, right here. This is the battle zone. 156. Now I've hit the bid at 28. 91 hit the bid last time down at 25 the last time down through it. 165 total down there at 25. Come on, hit the bid hard here at 25. There's another 15. Come on, get through 24, 23. Come on, hit the bid at 23. There's 22, 21, targeting that 08 level. I think we'll get to 08. 18, 17. Come on, 16. 09 is the target. Bringing this stop down to 39 right now. Trailing stop down to 39. Come on, finish it up here. 09 is the target now. 09 is your target. And that will take off 2. There's 16, 15, 14. Let's go 13. There's 12. Come on, 42, 47 ticks. Moving the stop to 30. Come on, 12, 11. Come on, get through 10, 9. 12, 11. Don't stop. There's 10. 9, we hit but no filled. My target, and there's your target. One left now. One left. That's your target. All right, let's bring the trailing stop here to 31. Trailing stop now at 31. That was your target there, my friends. That's why you hold on for it. And you don't get shaken out. And you don't get shaken out. We got one left now. You got one left. Now we're going to spend some time around this ETH session price here. So I'm going to go ahead and bring the trailing stop down to 21 here. Bringing that trailing stop down to 21. Because we hit that ETH price down there. This thing may bounce around for a little while. All right. So this is what we were talking about earlier in the session. Trying to get there, right? And just wasn't quite ready. But now it's obviously ready. The initial balance low down here is 24. Let's bring that stop up to 27. Initial balance low is 24. It may come back up and check that. I'm going to bring this back to 31 on the trailing stop. That is break even plus whatever. We're in from 60 to 31 is 29. We may come back up and check initial balance low here. I still think, now, for those of you that are regular room members, you know what I'm about to ask you here. What happens when you get to the ETH session open price on oil? What happens? What's the expectation level? Nice, Tony L. That's awesome, dude. Yep. For how long, Ricardo? How long we plan on lingering here? Or expect to linger? Yep. That's exactly right. You guys got it. So 6 to 8 5-minute candles right here around this rotation area. So that's why now it may not do it here. We may just go. But again, remember what happens. It goes down, it comes back, it goes down, it comes back. It looks like it's going to break, and then it doesn't. So we may be looking to add along the path here, but there you go. You just got down to it. We may be looking to add. We're going to get the revision signals come out here as well. You're going to get your revision signals show up here pretty quick as well. My stop, trailing stop, I'd like to have it, yeah, one tick above that bar. There's 8.7 now. 6, let's go. There's 5/4. Oh, baby, there's your 99, Jago. Jagu, I'm not sure, dude. I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name there. That was your 99. Let's go ahead and bring that trailing stop. Well, we're going to wait till this candle closes here. I'd like to see us close below the ETH. There's 98, 97. You're still running here. 57 ticks positive. We're going to look at that final target at 56.35 down there. I'd like to try to figure out how to add to it somewhere along the way. Okay, there's back. This is what I'm talking about, though. Okay, we closed below the revision signal at 07. Huh. Stop is 26. 27 on the trailing stop here. We may come up to the mid up there at 51 again. Trailing stop 31. We're going to let this thing play itself out. Come back up and check 24. So you just had your revision signal show up. So if you take off all of these levels here, revision mid back to 51 is where this thing may ultimately get back up to. I'm going to stop is just above this candle high here at 31. 70.5, 99 long. Oh, did I miss that, Christian? Too many things going on. So if you measure today's swing low to today's high, that gives you a 70.5 down at 98. Yeah, I got you right down there to it, didn't it? Huh. Darn. I need to finish up I've got an indicator that it's in development that will plot those automatically. Which I've got in the shed, in the tool shed, working on it. $31 on the trailing stop right now. 2.5 minutes left on this candle. Again, though, this is just the rotation that goes on around this level. Like I said, it's that's extremely important to what we look at in here. Those retracement patterns to 70.5s. 32 is the trailing stop, not 31. Moving it to 32. I don't want it to just peek its head up over 30 and then go. So this is the initial balance low here. Right here at 24. That's right where we are right now. That's what I said we should likely come back and check. And you're asking about those 70.5s. If you measure initial balance high down to this low, that's where the move started here. Jago, if you could see this, that's where the move started here or that's where it picked it back up again. Not started, rather, but picked it back up. Also, we are in the 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. swing zone. This may be the beginning of that swing right here. This may be the beginning of that swing. So we need to be mindful of this area right here. Could be the beginning of that swing. Now, if we get a long residual wick off the initial balance low at 24, then 95.36 is your target down there is an excellent spot, and we would be in good shape. So we're just being patient right now, right? We're just being patient right now. So those 70.5s show up all over the place. Boy, this would be one fine-looking candle here if we could close it below the revision, actually just below 50%, but come on, get through. But again, this is the behavior pattern of the ETH session price. You get in, you move around, it looks like it's going up one direction and out of the way, then it's going south and out of the way, and then it comes back, and each time it comes back and checks that price. Boy, this is fine looking 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. swing zone candle, by the way. Closed below the 50% mark there. 27. There's 10.98. Yeah, come on. You betcha. Let's go. Now you're closing below your revision. I'm going to short one right here. I'm going to add one to it right in this area here. Give me a second here. I'm just trying to find where to do it. Right here, 9, 10, 11. I'm going to add one to it right in this area. There's 10. And so now I have 2 on. And 35 is now the modified entry. 32 is still your stop. Yeah, Josh asks, are there any correlated markets that I look at? I look at the DX, the dollar, and the 6E are correlated markets that I look at, Josh. But oil has had such a mind of its own that really they aren't as impactful as they are in other sessions or in other ways. They're not quite as impactful. So I added one down here at the ETH session price here. We'll see. Stop is 31 up there. Hopefully I didn't add too soon. Let's clear out the book here and get a look. Now, I need this thing to move down to that 36. There we go, 8.7. Come on, 8.76. There's so much selling pressure here, guys, that this just has that feeling like it's going to go here. I'd like to see us get through what is now a range bottom here at 04, 02-ish. There's 05. 62 on the bid. Backfilling longs at 05, so we said 04 might be. There's 06, 05. You've got 77 hit the bid at 05. There it is. Get through 03, 02 here. Let's go. Okay, 21. All right, let's get down through 00. I'm looking for a move now to 56.36. Like I said, when we got down here today, that this would be an area of extreme interest, whether it's going to go back to 79 or down to 36. Okay, that's what you're looking for here. Down to 36 or up to 79. That's where you're at. 2 minutes on this candle. I'd like to see us close. You've got a small range developing now. Again, your 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. swing zone, you'd love it to be this candlestick right here. But you've got 6 to 8 minutes or 6 to 8 candles to form up here. You'd like that candle right there, or even this one right here to be your 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. swing zone right in that area. Now, if it is, it's an average of 100 ticks on the move. And that would take you down to your target down there at 36. Trailing stop here is 32. Trailing stop here is 32. Back to the initial balance low here at 24. You need this area to start holding here. We got all the way down to that 03 level. Again, don't panic. I'm saying this for me as I am for you. Not panic, but, don't get too anxious here. It's just part of the ebbs and flows now. Now, we did get down to your revision signal. So if you have gone through the revision market maker level training program, you know that this revision signal can now push you up to the revision mid up there at 51. Right? And that is possible. But I am banking on the fact that we are so heavy here we're back into another range here again. So I'm just thinking out loud, guys. I'm just thinking out loud here at the moment. So if you grabbed this to here and just went across, you've got yourself a double top up here. That's about 04. That's your new range right here. 24 is your initial balance. All right, I'm bringing the stop to break even +1 to 34. Bringing that to, because I think we may come check the top of this range up here at 30. I think we may come check the top of the range at 30 and then fall off from there. 34 is the trailing stop right now. And again, your initial balance, this is a little bit hard to see. Your initial balance low right here at 24 is this area right here. So again, we've been up to check it, but haven't closed above it yet. Let's just, while we're here, let's see where the 70.5 is. If you measure initial balance high, down to the current low, up there at 74. Well, $13 till the bottom of the hour. Longs backfilling at 18.17. Longs at 19 backfilling. So the buyers are trying to step in and keep the floor underneath it right here at 20, 19, 18. So another move down through these areas will be a good sign. Again, you've got longs coming in and backfilling at 19, 18. You've got basically your center points on the three candles are right up here in this 13 area as well. Looking down there at 56.36 as a potential 56.36. All right, let's clean out the book here again. You've got some sellers stepping in here at 18. I just like to get 27 now on the bid at 18, and we couldn't get it through. That's a pretty good hit of the bid there at 18 to not be able to get through it. So after that fall out of bed there, I still think we got to get back down to the 08 level. And I think we'll go down and test it. Look at the longs trying to back up there at 19. Some shorts there at 20. 34 hit the offer, though. So right here, we're battling it out at the moment. Right here. We got to get through 1918. Longs are trying to step up right here in this area. We're right around the initial balance low now, and we've identified this new range. $34 is the trailing stop. Man, keep me in here and go down to 36. $34 is the trailing stop. Shouldn't have added down there in retrospect. I should have left, I should have just still been in from 60 and just deal with this ebbs and flows. But it is what it is now at this point. 34 is the trailing stop and out at 34. That's all right. We're up 7. I'm up 75 ticks right now on the day. Right now. Nothing wrong with that. Oh, and if it took me out to the tick, that would be fun, wouldn't it? I'm good at that, as you know. No, I didn't. It got to 36. Failed breakout top of the range here again. Oh, I sure do, don't I? I only had one off. Yeah. Well, I'll leave it on. Ha! Thanks, Wayne. I'll go back up here to 37 now. And we got to get, well, maybe I won't. Let's go ahead and push this back. Well, I got the one on here. All right, I'm back to 30. Well, we'll see here. I'd like it to get down through. Yep, I see it, Christian. I'm messing with it. Yeah, I got one on still. I see it. We're going to come down through it here. Thank you, guys. There's your 1817 again. Trying to get through it here. Trying to decide what to do with this. I'm going to bring it to 26 rather. Whoa, look at all that pop through. Okay. All right, I'm shorting. I'm going to short right in this area. There's the bottom of the range. I got taken out, you mother humper. Short right here. Just shorting right in this area right here. And I'm just short right here at the bottom of this range. Daily revision target is 63. Structure signal at 51. We'll see here. Okay, there's 99, 98. Let's go. Come on. 03, 02, 01. 42 backfilling longs at 00. We're going to 36. 65, 36. And I'm going to just bring the targets down to that. But we may have to play with it a little bit here. We may have to play with it here a little bit. Very good. I'm glad. Tony says Reg says he sold 16 there. Yeah, hopefully this works out. We're at the bottom of this range. That's my only concern. We need to close below 0403 in the next couple of minutes here. There's 00. We're going to 36. We're going to 36. Okay. All right, now I'm bringing the trailing stop down here. There we go. Get through it. Bringing the trailing stop here to 03. Come on, baby. Let's go. All right. We need to close below that range. There's 93, 92, 91, 90, 89, 88. We're going to 36. Now, we may run into the revision target here first at 62. You got to close here in 50 seconds here. I need to get below this 89, 88 level. Come on. Come on. Finish it up here. The bottom of the range is there at 04. Oh, boy. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Back down. I would like to see this thing closing on its low tick down here around 85, 84 here if we can. Yeah. This got down as deep as 88, 86. And then, again, this is that dance here still. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is number 6. It may come back and check the ETH session price up there and then take us out. That's exactly what it's very capable of doing, and looks like it just did. All right, so you can see that we did come back and get taken out on that little spike up, and eventually, as you can see from the chart here on your screen, right in this area here, that the market did go ahead and complete that move down to the 36 level, which is what we were ultimately looking for. And if you were in the trading room today, you do recall that we were down looking for that level. So again, it is what it is, right? We had a nice trading day. It was a 134 tick CL trade. We extended our winning streak to a 9th consecutive day. And so it has, again, been a very nice run here so far. If you are interested in joining our group, there are several different ways to go about that. We do offer low down financing, all credit types approved. We need to talk to Dave for details on how to get yourself set up for that. Our objective here obviously is to get you in and get you situated. It'd be a good time for you now to get in and join us and learn as we head into the new year so that you're ready when the markets resume normal trading after the holidays. It would be a good time for you to get in and get set up for that. All right. So again, as always, I want to say thank you for watching our videos and staying in tune with what it is that we do here at the Oil Trading Group. And until tomorrow, I want to wish you good luck and good trading.